Hi, this is Lucas with N2V Solutions. Thank you for joining us today. We are going to unbox the GWN7000 Enterprise Multi-WAN Gigabit VPN router by Grandstream. It is a new product that they are releasing, have released, and along with access points, and I believe they're working on switches and everything that your network would need. To start, we're going to go through what the device is, what it can do. It is a gigabit router, so it will transfer 1,000 megabits per second. I believe this router can transmit 1,000,000 packets per second, and that's 64K packets. It's got multi-WAN ports. It's got the ability to hook up access points in a very easy way. VPN access, that includes OpenVPN. You can hook up printers to it, and it can also use a 3G, 4G LTE dongle, which is a USB dongle, to become one of its WAN ports. So let's dive right in. The box is pretty straightforward. It comes with just a couple of papers, your warranty information, your quick start guide, which is just a couple pages of what is inside and what all the ports are and how to turn it on. It's only a couple pages long, and then it's in multiple languages and shows you how to access the web interface. The power cord is a straightforward 12 volt 2 amp AC power adapter, like all the other Grandstream products, and the device, and that's all that's in here. On the device itself, it's a very straightforward device. It's got feet for you to put it on a stand or anything like that. It's got the wall mount capabilities, so if you want to screw it to the wall, you can do that. In the top of it, it's got all of the LEDs which light up and help you understand what's going on in the router. They got power button, all the network ports, and the internet access ports. Those are referenced on the back as well. The two USB ports can be used for printers, it can be used for external storage, or that dongle that lets you make another WAN port. You've got the dual WAN ports, which can be used and configured separately. They're by default set for DHCP, so you can just plug and play. The network port here is an optional port. It can be used as a WAN port, or it can be used as a LAN port. By default, I believe it is just set up as another one of your LAN ports. The very first LAN port has PoE attached to it, so you can plug a PoE powered device like an access point into it, and it'll just power right up. You've got a reset button and the power port as well. And that's about it. So that is the Grandstream GWN7000 VPN gigabit router. We will go through in another video how to set it up, how to use it and program it, and hopefully we'll help you get started here pretty quick. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to check out our newsletter. You can find any of our information at n2vs.com. That's N as in network, the number 2, V as in Victor, S as in Sam.com. Please like and subscribe if you find these videos useful, and we'll see you next time.